my channel. I am Sammy Jane and this is Idol Girl, and today I am bringing you a Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be on the Revolution, Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour, and it's in the shade C1. You might have seen this in a recent haul. I've got my foundation on and basically I'm ready to just like get in there and get some concealer did. So I'm just going to go straight in. I'm wearing, just for reference, I have got the Ordinary primer on and I'm wearing the Infallible Full Cover Foundation, Total Cover even, just because my skin's not really great at the moment, but that's good because we can test this out properly. So let's pop it under the eyes and see what we're saying. Ooh, that's big. That is a big applicator. Holy cow, see, could do a bit of contouring, couldn't we? Try and make me look a bit skinnier. See what the coverage is like as well. It's got a weird smell, although I have just put something on my lips so that might work and smell. Look how bad my lips look. So I'm going to use a sponge to... Oh, I should probably work fast because I don't actually know how like quickly this dries. And I know that this has got such good reviews and there is a lot of hype around this product. And people saying it's like the Tarte-Shape Tape and all of that, so I'm expecting good things, let's put it that way. Well, to be honest, so far I'm not like mega impressed. But having said that, I wasn't mega impressed with the Tarte-Shape Tape either. As you can see, immediate creasing under the eyes. That's not the concealer's fault. It's the fact that I'm an old, shriveled, horrible lady with acne and dried lips and horrible hair. And ooh, that's too serious for a Makeup Monday, guys. Let's not get into that right now. By the way, if you are new here, I'm not always this depressing in my videos, I promise. Maybe I'm having a bad skin day. But please do hit that subscribe button because we do lots of fun videos on here. Lots of nail videos. If you're into your nails, then hit the subscribe button. Makeup, and I'm wanting to start doing some hair tutorials as well. I am a hairdresser after all. But anyway, let's talk about the concealer. So, there's not really a whole lot I can say right now. I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup so that I can see how the rest of the makeup goes on top. I do quite like the look of the under eye actually. Yeah, I'm going to apply a little bit more. Just because I feel like it's quite red under here. And I don't know, I do feel like it's brightened it up a bit. If you use this concealer and you love it and you've got any tips on how you use it, what you apply it with, anything like that, please do leave them in the comments because I'm always looking for tips and advice on, like, you know, maybe it's better applied with a brush. Maybe, well, I'd say maybe it's better applied with fingers, but I'm totally against that. Probably because I have these nails and, yeah, it doesn't work very well, but you know what I'm saying. So, that's it applied. I'm going to set it and all of that. Do the rest of my makeup. I could set it now, actually. What am I going to use to set it? I'm going to use this by Wonder 2. And just because it's white and I don't want to like darken my under eyes, if that makes sense. I like them to be nice and light. Oh, I can never open this thing now, it's well annoying. So that's the first job. At the moment it doesn't look dry under the eye at all, which is really good. So far I'm quite happy. So let me know what you think of the look of it and I will be back with the rest of my makeup on and we can talk about it properly. And this is the rest of my makeup all done. I have completely finished it, and you know what? I'm liking the concealer. It's a drugstore concealer. It's affordable, a good price. And to be honest, something that I didn't touch on before, I don't know if I mentioned, but it's in C1. And actually, I struggle with getting concealers that are light enough for my skin tone, and this is light enough. It's definitely not light enough, and I'm impressed. I'm liking it. It's good. It's a good one from me, so it's a thumbs up. And yeah, this is really, like, I'm late to the game with this. I know you guys have seen so many videos on this concealer. And so yeah, there's no point in me saying too much about it. You all have probably already tried it and already made your own opinions about it. But yeah, I am liking it. It's a thumbs up from me, and that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. I love you. Mwah!